What's up, guys? We're out here at Dino's Gitdown. We met up with Eddie with this awesome 59 Apache. Eddie, man, tell me a little bit about this thing. That thing's super cool. I love the patina on it.
Thank you, thank you. Well, she started off, we wanted a painter. We wanted to go with this gold that we originally intended to go with. We saw it had such a great patina on it. My girl just said we got to keep it.
Yeah.
So we kept it as it is, and we built around it. We started off with the GSI front and back lift, and then we threw in a 4.8 LS turbo, VSR racing. Try to make the inside not look like the outside. So
yeah.
you feel like it's painted when you're sitting in there, but the outside, you know.
I can see that. Yeah, that looks really good, man. I can dig that. Yeah.
Barn find.
Yeah, that barn find look.
So you guys painted the interior?
Yeah, so it was a full off restoration. Did all the body work on the inside. My father, he's a painter, so he's the one that did all the paint.
Awesome, man. Awesome.
We got the snow seat. You know, that guy made some awesome seats.
Super beautiful seats, man. I love them. I love the wheels too, man. Like a nice classic, you know, polished smoothie.
Yeah, my grandfather, that's one of his favorite wheels. He loved these 3100 series trucks. We like the smoothie wheel, the old school 15-inch.
Yeah.
So try to bring it back just in a bigger way. I saw they made American Racing sombreros.
I see some patchwork. Did you do that body work there on that, or?
Yeah, that it was all kind of tweaked out and fixed it, and kind of looked like a tiger stripe. So we were like, just leave it.
Yeah, I mean, it's like patina, like patina adds to patina, like showing like it was a little beat up. I did a little bit of metal work, but I don't want to like paint it and hide it. So.
Yeah, there was a lot of body work done to it, make it look like it's but we kept some of the parts to let you know that it feels real.
Yeah.
We incorporated the third headlight to be like the intake for the turbo.
Sick. Yeah, even the firewall you painted.
Yeah, we did all the body work, kept the original seams in the firewall, and try to bolt as minimum things as I can to the firewall to give it that clean look.
Absolutely.
And then we decided to go with no fender wells just to continue to show the wheel. It's such a beautiful wheel on the inside and the outside.
Yeah,
so
being polished. Even the suspension, a lot of times when you do the wheel well, you kind of cover up the suspension so you have no idea, but now you got those beautiful GSI controls on there. It's awesome.
She's the driver.
I know. Where are you guys from?
We're from Los Angeles, so we drove all the way.
You drove it here?
Yeah.
Super cool, man. I love it. It's the best part about it, man. Just use them. So you got a turbo on here, LS motor. What kind of power are you pushing?
We're close to 600 to the wheel.
Yeah, it's fun, huh?
It's really fun once that boost kicks in.
I love it, yeah. Sure.
Smiles every time. 4.8 off a 2000 Silverado. It's got a BTR Stage 2 cam, 600 disc springs. The end of 11. Got the Holly intake, and it's running all on a Terminator X by Holly system.
How do you like that?
I like it because the software, it's easy to use, and put enough time in it, you know, working it like that.
It's just super easy, right? Like I got a lot of friends that are doing that same kind of combo.
Yeah.
LS swap, they're getting the Holly in there, and they don't have to mess with the wiring, factory stuff, trying to figure anything out.
I haven't been to a tuner
You
yet.
just go in there and yeah, plug and play. Not a little bit of plug and play. It's easy though, that's what I'm trying to say. You get on the road faster, that's the whole idea, right? Get driving faster.
And backed by a 4-out-of-8 trans, we beefed it up, so.
Awesome.
But we really put it to the test this week. So.
I love it, man. I love it. Yeah, great truck, great patina, great build. Want to share some social media?
Yeah, so you can catch and follow the whole build on 1959 Aftermath on Instagram and on TikTok as well.
How you liking Dino's?
The best. First time out here?
Yeah, first time? Cool.
Yes, it's got to be definitely a tradition every year.
Yeah. It's definitely like just wild, man. So many people, so many trucks, vendors. I mean,
you just want to buy everything.
You're right. You got to come here with an empty trailer and just load up on stuff, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
Sick, man. Thank you so much for your time, man.
Appreciate it.
Have a good one.